Classroom management is an art, and veteran educators have mastered it. But hey, if you are new to this field and are curious to know the secrets of classroom management, here are a few tips and tricks with which you can manage any class like a seasoned teacher. So, let's get started. Firstly, student engagement is the key. Pick up on non-verbal cues such as posture and gestures to refine activities for continuous student engagement. Establishing a connection with students. Being an active listener actually helps and can make classroom management way easier. Make your class a lively place. Transform learning by making it interactive, where students can participate and thrive. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Get more insights on classroom management strategies on Extramarks Digest. We'll keep feeding your mind one digest at a time. So don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter.